Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you one powerful remedy, home remedy. So guys can see, this is okra. This is 4 pieces of okra. Here I have water in the bowl. So guys can see this okra is for high BP. Guys, if you have BP, high blood pressure, it will work like magic. So if you have BP, I'll advise you go for okra. I'll show you how you do it, and the thing will work for you very fast. So if you have BP, to take drugs for BP, it's not too good. So if you are continuing taking drugs for BP, you won't stop again. You just continue taking it. But if you go for this home remedy like this okra, the only thing you do, go to the market. Some plant it in their garden in the home. Go to the market, buy small quantity. Find bowl, let's say plastic rubber. Wash it very well. Put water, like as I put this one now. I'll use this bowl. Put water. Wash your okra very well. As I wash this one, cut it like this one now. Cut it into 4. Just cut it into 4. Slice them into 4. So just simple things. You won't spend much. Instead of you go to the hospital, spend money, buy drugs, all those things. If you use 100 naira, it can cure your high blood pressure. So you now pack it and put inside water. And see, put it inside water. If you do it in the morning, let's say you do it 8 o'clock in the morning, you cover it, you leave it till 8 o'clock the following morning. Then you carry your glass cup, take half of it in the morning, half of it in the evening. You can take it for 4 days. After you take it for 4 days, go and check your BP, whether you still have BP. You leave it in the water overnight to ferment before you take it. Let's say if you put it around 10 in the morning, leave it till 10 in the following morning. Then you now fetch it in your glass cup. Half in the morning, half in the evening. Don't mind the water, whether the water draw or something. Don't mind it. Just take it. Take it for 4 days. Then go and check your BP, whether you still having BP. It's work like magic. So I advise you guys that spending money, go to the hospital, buy drug for BP is not a good thing. Go for home remedy. Do your medicine in your house. Okra full everywhere. Anywhere you go, you see okra. Just use 100 naira, buy okra to cure your BP, and you will come dey normal. So just a short video. I just want to show you guys. I'm using 4 pieces of okra, but if you want to take it more, you can use like 6 or 10. Then find big container, cut it and put it and cover it very well till the following day. Then you fetch the water and drink it morning and night. Just take it for 4 days and check your BP first. You see the result. So it's just a short video. Please, I like everybody to watch this video, and you are watching it, please watch it to the end and see the result and see everything there. So just a short video. I know you guys have been trying for me. I'm still begging you to continue try for me. Subscribe and my view. I thank you all for everything that you guys do for me. God will bless you and your family. Subscribe for my channel. Share it to a loved one, your family, to help them. There's many things people no know. Small thing like this that go cure wetin dey do you, you don't know. But when you watch it, you know, you try it and see. And the thing will work for you very fast. It's just a short video. Please try it and see. You have BP, high blood pressure. You have it, just try it and see. You see the result. Very perfect. Just okra, only okra and water to cure your sickness. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and share it. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.